Measures give us many options to choose from to build calculations. I can choose from properties, which are stored at the usage or the feature level, as we discussed earlier. I can draw down on previous calculations. I can draw down on subtotals of unit types from other categories. For instance, maybe the total square feet that we've built out across our build form. And lastly, the site areas. Think of these as areas that are pre-dynamically calculated within the boundary of the site. Let's do a quick ratio of the total square feet in built form divided by the total area of the site. Component A multiplied by B. This will give us our FAR. It's unitless. There we go.